Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and aloha! My name is Rosalie Pascual, your inspiration number 2. As we bask in the glow of our pageantry to honor and celebrate the Filipina who embodies its very spirit, let's also bask in the light she shines. As a Filipina, my story is one, woven with the threads of resilience and compassion. I understand the importance of family, the bedrock of our society. The family which we learn our first lessons in love, respect and responsibility, and the values of hard work, perseverance, and faith. I understand that our community is the extension of our family, and that by helping others, we are strengthening the very fabric of our society. My story is also a testament to the power of education. I understand that education is the key to unlocking opportunities, breaking down barriers, and empowering individuals to reach their full potential. I believe in the transformative power of education. I understand that by supporting educational initiatives such as the Mrs. Hawaii Filipina Scholarship and Charity Pageant, I am not just helping deserving youth to pursue their dreams, but I am also investing in the future for our community and our nation. Another pillar of my life is charity. I have extended my help to organize fundraising drive, participated in outreach programs, and I care for the sick, the frail, and vulnerable Kupunas as a caregiver. My heart overflows with compassion to those in need. I understand that even the smallest act of kindness can have a ripple effect, spreading hope and inspiring others to do the same. My journey has not been without challenges and setbacks. I have faced adversity with grace and resilience, never losing sight of my goals or commitment to serving others. I am a phenomenal woman. I am a constant reminder that we all have the powers to inspire, to make